Hi friends, in this video we will see what's the use of slash n followed by T code slash o followed by T code. So let's see, but before that you should know some T codes so that we can use on that. So just see, simply ME51 is like create purchase requisition and ME21 is a T code to create a purchase order. So these two T codes are there that we are going to use these slash n followed by T code and slash o followed by T code. So mostly in side you will see these T codes very often. So let's see, like use of slash n followed by T code and slash o followed by T code. So slash n is used to come back to SAP easy access screen from any other screen. Let me show you on SAP screen. Let me log in. So this is SAP S4 HANA. S4 HANA can be accessed through GUI also, and through remote desktop also, remotely also that can be accessed. So we are doing with a GUI. Okay. So what's the use of slash n? So let's suppose I'm using T code ME21N to create a purchase order. This is a purchase order screen, create purchase order screen. So this is a create purchase order screen, and if I just want to go back to that SAP easy access screen, I will use simply the T code slash n in command prompt and hit enter. So it will directly take me back to SAP easy access screen, right? So that's a use of slash n. Let me use again ME51N and this T code, and right now I just open create purchase requisition screen. If I want to go back to that SAP easy access screen, I will simply use T code slash n and hit enter. It will take me back to SAP easy access screen, right? And again, if I want to create a goods receipt using T code Migo or any transaction I just want to perform, I will use that again in command prompt. Okay, but this every time I have to do in the two steps. Like first I have to go back in SAP easy access screen using T code slash n, and again I have to use a T code here. So it's becoming like three step. Like first I'm using a T code, then I'm using slash n, then again I'm using a T code whatever I just want to perform, whatever transaction I just want to perform. But if I will use, let's suppose I open purchase order, I just open create purchase order screen, this screen, and I just completed purchase order. I just save that document. Right now I don't need this screen, create purchase order screen, and I just want to open purchase requisition screen. So I will simply use a T code slash n followed by the T code whatever I want to perform, whatever transaction I want to perform. So let's suppose I just want to open create purchase requisition screen. So in single step I can do, like what will happen, like I'm using slash n followed by T code slash n followed by T code. So what will happen, this screen will overwrite, like this purchase requisition screen will open and this screen will be closed. That simply means that purchase requisition, whatever T code I'm going to use, that will override that present screen. You will see right now it's a create purchase order screen, but once I'm using slash n followed by T code and I will hit enter, it will directly open create purchase requisition screen and purchase order screen have gone. So that's the use of slash n followed by T code. What's the use of slash o followed by T code? I guess these two are clear to you. Slash n is used to come back to SAP easy access screen from any other screen. Slash n followed by T code, it will remove the present transaction and execute new one. Slash o followed by T code, it will remove the present transaction and at same time it execute new one in separate session. As you have seen in your mobile, then you can connect with that example. Let's suppose you are just opening, you are just playing a video on your YouTube, on YouTube app, and at the same time some of your friends have texted you on WhatsApp. You just minimize that YouTube and you will just open that WhatsApp and you will reply to your friend, and again you will come back to that YouTube and you will play the video. So multiple sessions are open in your mobile, right? So that's the use of /o. So right now I just open create purchase requisition, but at the same time I just want to see, or I want to work on multiple screen or multiple sessions. I will simply use T code /o followed by the T code whatever transaction I want to perform. So let's suppose right now I'm just working on a create purchase requisition screen. Right now in another session I want to open create purchase order, so purchase order screen. So I will use /o followed by the T code ME21, and that's to create a purchase order. Then hit enter. Now you see create purchase order screen is there, but from here itself I can also see create purchase requisition screen. So from here I can switch to create purchase order screen or purchase order screen, create purchase requisition screen, create purchase order screen. Like that I can open multiple screen. It's not like only two I can open, I can open multiple screen. So right now I just opened 3 screens. If I want to open more screen, I will just use /o mm60. That's another transaction that we will also discuss, but here the point is use of /n followed by T code and /o followed by T code. So you can see I have opened 1 2 3 4 5 screen. That's a login screen, so just don't count that. 1 2 3 4 screen or 4 sessions I have opened. One more way to open a session, I can say two more way is there to open a new session. Like I will just go to system and I will click on new GUI window. So like that also I can open a new screen and I can access whatever T code I want to access. Here I can access. So like that also I can open new session. Like that also I can open new session, right? And one more way is there, like one is like in system you can go to new GUI window. Another way is here in standard toolbar you can see that new GUI window icon. So once you click on that you can open new sessions from here also, new GUI window. So like that we can open new screen using /o followed by T code, or from here from system tab, from new GUI window, or in standard toolbar you can see this new GUI window icon is there. So from here also you can open a new session. So like that you can open a sessions. But if I want to close the session, how can I do? Let's suppose I just want to close this session. So first I have to switch to this session, and from here I can close. First option is from here. Now let's suppose I want to close this also. So another option is just go to system and just click on close GUI window. Okay, just go here in system, go to close GUI window, and mostly we just use this. Okay, and to open multiple session usually we use /o followed by T code. Mostly we use that. I guess this is crystal clear to you, like use of /n followed by T code, /o followed by T code, so that you can see multiple questions in global certification exam. Okay, and that's useful for all consultant. So what's a transaction code? It's a shortcut to execute the program, right? And what's the navigation? Navigation is just like a process of visiting the logistic. Like let's suppose what's the navigation. So let me go to back in SAP Easy Access screen using T code /n. So that's the navigation. Like I want to create a purchase order from here, so I will just navigate and create a purchase order. Or I want to create a purchase requisition, I will create from here. So that's a navigation, right? I guess